Leica just quietly confirmed that something is coming, and the camera world is not ready for it. No official announcement, no press release, just a series of leaks scattered across camera forums, insider blogs, and community threads that all point to the same thing: the D-Lux 9. Now, if you've been sleeping on the D-Lux line because it felt like a rich person's point-and-shoot, this video is going to completely change how you see it, because what's reportedly coming with the 9 is a different beast altogether. We're going to break down every major leak, what's been confirmed, what's still rumor territory, and by the end, you'll know exactly whether this is the compact camera to wait for in 2026. Let's start where every camera conversation has to start: the sensor, because the D-Lux 8 shipped with a 17-megapixel chip that honestly felt dated the moment it arrived. The D-Lux 9 leaks are telling a very different story. We're looking at a rumored 26-megapixel BSI sensor, backside illuminated, which basically means the light-gathering architecture is fundamentally better, especially once the sun goes down. Low light has always been the soft underbelly of compact cameras at this price point, and if these leaks hold up, that weakness gets surgically removed. Paired with a reportedly next-generation processor, the kind usually reserved for cameras pushing double this price point, the gap between compact and serious starts to close in a way that should make a lot of photographers genuinely rethink their kit. The Vario Sumilux glass on the current D-Lux is genuinely excellent, no complaints there. But ask anyone who's actually used it in the field and they'll tell you the autofocus makes you want to throw the camera into a river. It hunts, it hesitates, it misses. The leaked AF system on the D-Lux 9 is reportedly a completely reworked phase detect hybrid setup with AI subject tracking baked in, covering faces, eyes, and moving subjects. That is not a small upgrade for a compact camera. That's a category shift, and the lens itself is reportedly rebuilt around the new sensor. Same 24 to 75mm equivalent range, but sharper wide open, better corner performance, and faster to respond. For street photographers and travel shooters, a camera that fits in a coat pocket but focuses like a flagship is genuinely hard to argue against. The D-Lux 8 body is nice, solid, premium feeling, but limited in some practical ways, fixed rear screen being the most frustrating one. The D-Lux 9 leaks describe a fully articulating display, which sounds like a minor convenience until you've actually tried vlogging or shooting from low angles on a fixed screen and realize you've been guessing your composition the entire time. Beyond the screen, leaked body details point to a magnesium alloy shell that reportedly draws more from the Q series design language than anything the D-Lux has worn before. Slimmer profile, tighter tolerances, controls that feel more deliberate and less like an afterthought. This is the version that's supposed to feel like a Leica the moment you pick it up, not just look like one. Here's where things get either exciting or complicated depending on your expectations. Video on the D-Lux 8 is functional but hardly inspiring. 4K at 30 FPS, no raw output, no high frame rate options worth talking about. The D-Lux 9 leaks are suggesting 5K capture, high frame rate 4K, and rumored raw video support inside a camera you can pocket. That spec list, if accurate, positions this thing as a legitimate B-cam for working creators, not just a travel companion for hobbyists. On price, current leaks are pointing to somewhere in the $2,000 to $2,500 range, which is a step up from the D-Lux 8, but given what's reportedly packed inside, the math actually starts to make sense in a way you don't usually say about anything with a Leica badge. If even a portion of these leaks land, the D-Lux 9 could be the most compelling compact camera release in years, not just for Leica fans, but for anyone who wants serious capability in a small body. So tell me down in the comments, are you watching this one, or is the D-Lux 8 still doing the job for you? Like the video if this helped, subscribe if you want every update the moment it drops.